In this video, I'm going to show you what I do for my VIP members. One of my VIP members sent me this chart, just kind of an overall thought process in reference to long-term hold. What I do is I take a screenshot of the chart and then I draw on it so that I'm able to talk about it and show exactly where on the chart that I'm referring to. In my opinion, the who, what, where, when, why, especially the why, is extremely important. Now for here, they're showing me different levels of the resistance. They're showing me different levels of the percentages between the levels. In this video, this is to show you and give you a slight glimpse of what's in store for you in the VIP group. So without further ado, let's go and get started. All right, so looking at your chart, let's see what we got. 1 million, wow, that's nice. All-time high, down a whole bunch. Okay, so because it's down, I would really do some extra info on this. Tags, metaverse, I think that's oh no, mineable, marketplace, payouts. So in my opinion, this is boring, and I'm pretty sure this is boring too, but payments, like there's so many of them, but I'll show you how to do more info on this. Let's see here. You got this level, that level, nice. Since there's such a big gap, I'd also do this level. Let's see here. Came just huge dump. This is screaming to me, rug pull. Absolutely screaming to me. In one day, it went down, what, 100 and something percent? Or whatever that is. Let's see here. Then it came down some more. Very small candles. Pretty sure. Let's see here. This level, that level, great. Prices here. Yeah, I like it. Enter. So got your levels. Okay, very good. Let me show you how to do more research. All right, so this is HC Hypercash. Let's go to all, just as I suspected. So 2017 came out, did really nice, and then it dumped completely. Then in 2017, bull market, very nice, and then it dumped. And then in 2021, the next bull market, 2019, 2020, when everything is blowing up and everybody's making insane gains, it did really nothing. Then the next peak of 2021, it really is November, but this one peaked 6 months prior to everything. And even when everything was super crazy bullish in November, this was actually lower than the May, and then just flatline. Would I invest in this? Nope, sure wouldn't. Could you make a lot of money on it? Yeah, you sure could. Just extremely higher risk. And I'm positive the volume is extremely low. How do we check that? We go to markets. Where's it at? Only MEXC. Horrible. If it had MEXC, KuCoin, maybe even Binance, larger exchanges, BingX, any exchanges really, it's only on one. It's been around since 2017. Huge red flag that it only has one real exchange, which is MEXC. Gate.io. So the trading volume in the last 24 hours is only $65,000. That's really bad. Nobody's trading this. So if you were to buy $500 worth, you would more than likely move the price significantly. And I'm going to show you about that too. All right, so let's look at their website. Let's see how their website looks. It's loading. Okay, the new standard of value. Nice website, nice looking website, nice animation. I really do like looking at so exchange platforms. So they have several. Okay, KuCoin, OKX, Gate.io. Okay, so that's not bad. Let's see here. What is Hcash? Gives you some information. The website looks nice. And that's one thing I always look at is the website. See if, a 13-year-old kid did it or if it looks professional. It looks professional. The website looks good. Download the wallet. So one thing I would do is, how many people have downloaded this wallet? Is there 10,000? Is there 10? Research. Investors. So let's look at their Twitter. Granted, they've been around since 2017. Ooh, these posts are protected. Only approved followers can see them. Approved followers, really? Only 13,000 since 2017. Huge red flag. Absolutely huge. Let's go ahead and continue. See what else can we see on this. Let's go ahead and look on MEXC. See how we would move the coin. 1 second. All right, so we're on HC. We are looking at if we can move the price. So right now, just confirming it, it's around 35 cents. So let's go ahead and go back over here. 35 cents. Okay. So let's see if we can do $500 worth. So if I wanted $500 worth, I would move up the coin. See, 37. Let's see, 37.44. 37.44. That's only 5%. Okay. So I wouldn't move it up that much. I move it up around 6%. That's only if I wanted to buy $500 worth of this. Would I do it? No, it's too much. I don't. Could you make money off of this? Yes, of course. But to me, it's a very high risk. This is kind of like a Hail Mary. There's so many other coins that you could get that are low market cap coins. And one thing I would recommend, don't market cap hunt to where you find a low market cap coin or it's been down 99%. Could you make 500%? Yeah. But it's very, very high risk. This one is more like putting money in and then just waiting to see what happens, as opposed to going into another coin where you know that you have a very high possibility, because maybe it's a gaming coin or an AI coin or something, and that you have a much greater possibility of making gains because, well, people are interested in it. This one, people are not interested in my opinion. That's all I got. I do thank you so much. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.